Just another day on the boat. I've been taking off the trim of the windows, and guess what happened? Yep, the window freaking came out and broke. So I guess I'm getting new windows. That wasn't in the budget. My boat is finally going back in the water, so the bottom is all ready to go. We're just gonna get the lift ready and yeah, just bring her down. Big day, big day. It's gonna be good. All set up. I got my fenders, and we're gonna get this show on the road. So there used to be a lot of weight in the front to counter the weight from the engine. But yeah, she's leaning lots. I'm definitely gonna have to put the weight back in the front, but she's floating. She's in the water. That worked out beautifully. Back to floating. It's raining. So I started taking off the siding around the windows, or the trim or whatever. So I'm gonna start taking it all off so that we know what we're working with when it comes to the siding. And then we're gonna replace it later. So what's going on here is that they've put the wood right on the metal, which is terrible. We need to remove all of the siding because it's rotting down here and here. So my job is to just kind of remove all of it so that we can start fixing the bottom here when it's not raining. So I am going to Ontario for a month to finish up work and see my family. So while I'm gone, Scott's gonna do the decking. He's gonna do it while I'm gone, if it's not raining too much. So I'm just kind of like preparing everything for him to do it. One window down, bunch more to go. I'm removing the screws if I can, because most of them are stripped or rusted. Yeah, the ones I can remove, I remove, and the ones I can't, I can't. And then I use this trusty pry bar with a hammer and I get it off. It's actually pretty fun. So that one's no. That one either. Aha! Success. Let's see about this one. Nope, that one's just in there. Woohoo! So there you have it. That's what I'm doing. So I'm removing all of the trim. So I removed some of it. Now I have to remove this one. Whoa. You go. Started ripping out some of it, but the front part is the most important one. careful. It's not sketchy at all. Ugh. Okay. So I'm gonna remove these boards down here. I didn't really want to take this one off, but I don't think I'll have a choice. But yeah, all of those are off. So look at that rot. You'd think I'd learn from the last project not to go into another project like this, but I can't help it. Just more fun for me. Wet. Oh, there's like rust on here. The rust is here. Poorly designed, but it's okay. So there is an inch of metal there, but the issue is that they covered it with wood, and I think this is like Sikaflex or whatever, but because the wood got so wet from all the water, like because the water is coming down this way, then it hits this, so it's constantly wet. So it's all rusted. So yeah. Side of the windows. Let's keep going. Oh, this is soaked. Ugh, gross. It's so wet. Anyways, so I'm removing the siding a little bit so that you can see the lip here, the metal lip, which they had a good thing going. Like that's a pretty good like lip there. Could have been higher. I think that like bringing it up to here so that the water can run down, but as you can see, the water runs down on wood. We'll see how much of the lip we can save and how much we can add to it, because this is all wet. It's gotta go. Woohoo! Jeez. Okay, a little recap of the day. I did a lot today. Let me show you. So I took off all the windows. They're all gone. And I removed like the wood that was on the bottom so that it's easier for Scott to work on it. We're gonna have to talk about it because it's like, you know, pretty holy. There's also this part here. You can see right through. But anyhow, it was a lot of work, but it was good today. Had a good time, hurt myself, feel sore, just part of it. But yeah, pretty good work today. I kind of look like a hockey player. I feel like, you know, when Monica goes on vacation and her hair just keeps getting bigger and bigger. It's quite a look. Fancy. Good afternoon. Here's Louie. We're going to the Home Depot to pick up some Tyvek for the outside of the boat because I'm starting the demo on the outside this week. So yeah, just need some materials. It's raining. Hello. Do you know where the Tyvek is? Tyvek. For the outside of houses and stuff. It's around here somewhere. It's okay. I got it. I got it. It's okay. 19. Bay 5. Bay 5. Which bay is it? Is this it? No, that's blue skin. Blue skin. I don't want blue skin. I want Tyvek. Where are you? I think that's it. Yep. Cool. Here we go. Gonna start with 2 rolls and go from there. That was easy, kind of. That's it. That was my task for the day. It's raining, so I'm not gonna be doing anything else, but at least we got some materials. Hopefully tomorrow will be nice enough to start. It's sunny. It's a good day to demo the outside walls. Today is demo day. I'm gonna demo one wall at a time so that we can put some blue skin and Tyvek on there, get it started. I think it'll be good. I'm gonna gather my tools. I've got crowbar and this thing, which apparently is amazing. And gloves. Which side should I start on? Maybe I'll start on this side here. Oh, gloves. Grab my gloves. Gloves. And these. My favorite. It's pretty juicy, which means this is the inside. This is the inside wall. So this part here, that's the wall. I'm gonna have to probably replace this wall. It's too much damage. Great, yay. So here's the deal. I'm gonna use the saw. I'm gonna cut some pieces all the way up here so that it's easier to like pry off and fit into the barrel to go to the garbage. Little tips and tricks. Okay, my cart is full, so I'm gonna go bring it up to the yard to the garbage. Gotta go. But yeah, look at that. It's looking pretty good. This wall is nice. This one, total garbage. Mission accomplished. This is my pile of garbage. And we go back. Gotta fill her back up again. I'm done this side. Want to check it out? So that's one side done. Some spots aren't in too bad a shape, but some spots are bad. Like that corner. It's a little questionable. Well, I hope this doesn't become some kind of voodoo thing. Almost done taking off this wall. This part's a little rough, but I don't know what that is. Yummy. It'll be good for it to like dry out too. Alright, all done. Should I do this side? I'm already here. I guess I could. Whoop. Gotta make sure that door doesn't open on me. Might as well. I'm gonna have to do it some other day anyway, so. Okay. One more side. She's officially inside out. Halfway inside out. Anyway, want to see? There you go. So that's what it was. That's what's now. So it's all tongue and groove on the inside. But I think it'll be nice when we put it back on. But yeah, she's bare. It's a lot of work today. I think I'm just gonna stop there. That's it. That's it for today. Good morning. This little guy. It's a 2 coffee type of morning, I swear. My dog hasn't been feeling well, so he's been sneezing all night and he has trouble breathing. He's on antibiotics, but anyhow, it means that I'm not sleeping half the night, so I'm pretty tired. I hope he feels better soon. Get a little bit of rest here. Sweet little boy. Anyhow, today I'm gonna finish ripping out that siding on the boat. Just gonna clean it up because I'm gonna go buy some sheets of 1/4-inch ply and we're gonna wrap it all nicely and get it ready for some house wrap Tyvek stuff. So just getting it started. Oh, sleep. I will sleep later. Back at the boat. The plan is I'm gonna remove all the siding right here. And then I have to attack the siding that's around the windows up there and in the front. So those are the hardest ones, so I'm gonna wait to do those, but I think this should go pretty smoothly, except for that part. I might have to move a dock or something. Back to demo. Got my hammer, pry bar, drill. Just getting my tools ready. I'm gonna go grab a crowbar, the big one. This thing right here, and I'm also gonna use this to cut up some of the siding. Here we go. Set everything up. Yeah, those are my tools. So I finished the one side right there. Now I have to tackle that little thing there. We'll see how much I can get done. I dropped my favorite tool in the water. Okay, I'm gonna grab a magnet and see if I can retrieve it. Shit. That's what happens. Working on the water. Well, I wasn't able to find it. Pretty sad because it's like not very heavy and was easy for me to use, so it's okay. I guess I'll just have to buy a new one.